Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on where you are in this beautiful world. I'm in a good mood today. Bitcoin is doing what we expected. Still messy, don't get me wrong, but at least she respects our levels. Before we start, make sure you turn your notifications on and follow Spitfire on X, as we have a big surprise for you at the end of the next week. Now, back to Bitcoin. This is a chart from our last YouTube update. I like to start these videos like this, with the old chart. So you can see we are really transparent and I'm not selling you any, I don't think I'm allowed to say the word. You know, what everyone does on X. So, Bitcoin came in our support zone. At Golden Pocket yearly open, we had this green box here. Yeah, it was really messy. She got a little bounce here at about 3%, but nothing crazy, and then she went down again. At the moment, we are not in a swing long from here because the price action didn't get any follow through. So we are waiting for our next level of support, which will be the same as we discussed last time, the 382 84K. If you remember, this 382 was a higher time frame fib retracement from bear market lows. From bear market lows to all-time high. So this one is a really important zone. If this one doesn't hold, then bull's last chance will be the 886 around 80k, which is also kind of a psychological number. Lower than this, then we're gonna go for the 74 lows from April. And this is kind of the last line in sand, because from here down to our next level of interest, Golden Pocket 57, it's a really long way. It will be another at least 20% down. So let's hope this 382 holds and gives us a really nice long. If she decides to bounce from where she is now, and this is the low, then for resistance we have to update this fib from all-time high to the last low, which will be this one. Let's see, 520 483, this one. And as we can see, monthly open doesn't give us any confluence here, but this one will be our first area of resistance. So if she can break above yearly open, make a 4-hour market structure break, which will be at this week high, and from here she can go up like in 3 waves. So we can have other confluences around this 382, maybe a fib extension, you know, maybe some kind of channel. This is purely crystal ball, don't take this into account, but just so you have an idea of what you are looking for. Then we can see how price reacts at this level. Being above of 100k is interesting because everyone will kind of get bullish again. You know, the old same tweets, oh my god, Bitcoin is at 100k again, to the moon from here. So 102 as resistance is really important. If she can get above this one, then we have the next area, which is Golden Pocket 707. We have the volume profile. Let's see how this one is updated. Yeah, the point of control is now a little bit higher and is above these highs, and this is really interesting. So this one is a really big area. Being a higher time frame Golden Pocket, we might get an initial reaction from here, 1, 1, 2, and get a rejection, and then one more high to take all these highs into the point of control of the range and then maybe go down? We will have to wait and see how price gets there first. Above the point of control of the range, we still have the 886 here, but as it stands now, it's not that appealing anymore. So higher, I will look for another all-time high. So let's move our box a little bit here. And I think that's all I have for you today. Don't forget to follow us on X for the big news coming at the end of the next week. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments or in our free Discord. Have an awesome weekend. Take care. Bye bye.